Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import pupils and then put them into groups so you can set up your groups and pupils for using RM Easimaths. Now I've logged on as a school administrator, which means I've got a school setup button here, so I'm going to click that. Now when we get through to this page we can see there's a teacher setup, a pupil setup and a group setup. We're going to start with the pupil setup. So I'm going to click the tab and we get through to this page. Now I've already got a CSV file here with the information that I need. So I've got the full name of the pupil, the surname, dates of birth, usernames that I want and passwords that I want to give to my pupils, their levels and the groups, and you can see that we're going to set up two groups. So here we go. So click import pupil details, click browse to the pupil CSV file. There it is, test import file. I'm going to tick this box here because the first row of my CSV file had the names of each column, which makes it useful for me. Click next, and now I've got to match those headings to the names of the fields in RM Easimaths, so I'm just going to do that. Because I've used the template file, they match exactly, which I would recommend doing. At the level there, okay, and then I click import. Okay, so it's just now importing. It's confirmed that my 10 pupils have now been imported. Okay, so that's imported my pupils. What we're going to do now is click on the group setup. So I click the group setup here, and I'm going to import group details. I'm going to click on import group details, browse back to that file, the test import file, tick the box that says I've got column headings. And this time I need to give the username because that's the unique name for each pupil, and the group name, which is called group names. Just make sure you get the right headings and then click import, and there we go. Here's our two groups, so group 1 and group 2, 5 users in each. I'm going to give the owner of group 1 to be John Smith. I'll keep the other one, click finish, and that's now importing the group. So there we go, 2 groups and 10 users. Okay, so that's done that. If I go back to the dashboard now, what we should be seeing here is if I click on the groups, then there's my group, okay, and if I change the teacher to Mr. Smith, then they've got group 1 and they're the pupils in group 1. So we can see that we've easily set this up. We can allocate quickly the groups to the teachers, so it is now a very, very smooth and easy setup. And that's how to import pupils, their levels, and set up groups for RM Easimaths.